Good morning. After last night, we slept really nice. Now it's around like 2:15, and we are going out in our second day in Chiang Mai. It's gonna be like fully temple trip today. We will visit 3 temples. One of them, the first one, is Wat Sri Suphan'ı. It's famous. I mean, everywhere is temple, as you can see. Like everywhere, wherever you walk in Chiang Mai, it's temple, but you have to choose the best ones, otherwise like you don't have any time. So first one is Wat Sri Suphan'ı, the other one is Wat Lok Moli. They say it's a so unique one, so unique and different one. And the other one is Wat Raja Montan. Wat Raja Montan, I don't know, I probably misspelled them, mispronounced them, but sorry, forgive me. I don't know any of Thai words. Anyways, let's go like the 3 temples, and after probably we will go to a night market or something cool that you can do in the night time here. We are in the south side of the Chiang Mai Old Center, and as you can see, all the temples we wanna go is like 10 minutes, 15 minutes way. How do we go? It's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes to the city center. You must definitely take your house area. The location must be Old City Chiang Mai. Old City. South side, east side, west side, north side. Doesn't matter, just have it from the Old City. All the good places, all the temples, they set up in the near Old City. So what we're gonna do is walk around like 10 minutes for the first temple, after call a taxi and go for a 10-minute ride. If you want to walk, you can also walk, but we wake up so late tonight and they're going to be closed, the temples, around 5 and 6. So now it's around 3 o'clock, so we don't want to be late. So let's start with the Wat Sri Suphan'ı, Chiang Mai second day. 13 full days in Thailand. And I fly my drone, I believe 1 or 2 national parks, which is really forbidden, and in national parks you can't fly a drone at all. But I managed to fly one in Bamboo Island. I don't know if it was the other one in national park, I don't remember. And like 5 or 6 times more in the normal places, in the streets. In Chiang Mai I got warned. In my drone, I got a message in my drone, this is high security area. Are you sure you wanna fly? Do you have the permission? I didn't, but I still fly it. And nothing's happened yet. I mean, I literally didn't meet with any police guys, security guys, who comes to me and tells me you cannot fly drone. No one told me that yet. And I hope it's going to be like this. We have like 18 days more. I hope it's gonna be like this. Wow, they have a so big digital store here. So big it is. The river in Chiang Mai, famous river, you'll see that. And there is a digital store, guys. If you want to check this out, you must definitely check it. I mean, the name is Digital Store, and it's huge. It's huge. Whatever you need, I'll believe that you'll find it. Anyway, so no one told me anything about my drone yet, which I read so many things about. It's forbidden to fly your drone in Thailand. You need permission, you need international license, you need to accept it by the Thai government and stuff. I didn't do any of this. I just have my drone license in Turkey, which is not international. And still I got to fly it so many times, and I hope I'll do that more. So in the temples yesterday I asked it to a monk that if I can fly my drone. He said, sorry, I'm just visiting here, I don't know here. So I was like, okay, and I fly it, and no one told me anything. But I still try to do it in a sneaky way, of course. Like, I don't do it when there's so much people and they see you fly it. I do it like in hidden places. There will be no cops and stuff, so I don't want to have any problems with flying my drone, or I don't want them to tell me in airport or something, delayed everything. I will be so sad if they do this. I hope not, I hope. So yeah, Let's see the first Wat Sri Suphan'ı temple.
Deep in the heart of Chiang Mai, amidst the buzz of modern life, stands a temple that looks like something out of a dream. Wat Sri Suphan'ı, also known as the Silver Temple, isn't just a place of worship. It's a stunning blend of art, history, and spirituality that tells the story of a community's dedication to preserving its heritage. Originally constructed in the 16th century, Wat Sri Suphan'ı served as a traditional Buddhist temple for centuries. However, it wasn't until more recent decades that the temple underwent a remarkable transformation. Local artisans using traditional Lana silversmithing techniques began covering the entire temple in integrally crafted silver panels. The result? A dazzling structure that seems to shimmer the light, captivating visitors from all over the world. The exterior of the temple is a masterpiece of detail. Every wall, roof tile, and decorative element is covered in silver panels that depict Buddhist stories, mythological creatures, and scenes of daily life in northern Thailand. As the sunlight dances off the silver surfaces, the temple takes on an almost otherworldly glow, offering visitors a unique blend of aesthetic beauty and spiritual calm. But Wat Sri Suphan's significance isn't just visual, it's deeply rooted in both local history and Buddhist tradition. One tradition that may surprise visitors is the rule that women are not permitted to enter the temple's main ordination hall. This rule, which stems from ancient Buddhist customs, is still observed today. While this means women cannot step inside the holiest part of the temple, the stunning architecture and intricate silverwork on the exterior make the visit more than worthwhile for everyone. What truly sets Wat Sri Suphan'ı apart is that it is the first and only temple in the world covered entirely in silver. Each silver panel was commissioned by donors, and behind each panel, the name of the donor is inscribed. This adds a powerful layer of meaning. The temple isn't just a monument to craftsmanship, but a living testament of the community to support and shared cultural pride. Walking around Wat Sri Suphan'ı, you'll be struck by the level of detail in every carving and panel. You'll spot dragons winding through silver clouds, lotus flowers blooming from silver vines, and even depictions of everyday life in Chiang Mai, all painstakingly crafted by hand. It's easy to lose yourself in the artistry and stories these panels tell. Beside the temple is a silversmith workshop where local artisans continue the age-old craft of silverwork. Here you can watch them at work, see how the panels are created, and even learn about the symbolism behind different designs. It's a wonderful way to deepen your understanding of this art form and connect with Chiang Mai's rich artistic heritage. If you visit at night, Wat Sri Suphan'ı transforms into something truly magical. Under the glow of carefully placed lights, the temple's silver panels sparkle, creating an almost mystical atmosphere. The way the light plays off the metal surfaces gives the temple an ethereal quality that's hard to put into words. You simply have to see it yourself. Wat Sri Suphan'ı is more than just a beautiful temple. It's a symbol of Chiang Mai's spirit and testament to the power of community, and a living work of art that blends spirituality, history, and craftsmanship. Whether you are visiting Chiang Mai for the first time or returning to rediscover its hidden gems, Wat Sri Suphan'ı is a destination that will leave you inspired and in awe.
Okay, so we visit the silver temple, Wat Sri Suphan'ı. It was amazing. Look at this, it was amazing. And now we are heading to the Wat Lok Moli first, then Wat Mountain or something, I don't know. The silver temple is amazing. It was so weird and amazing. Look, there's the people who rent Thai clothes, and they have a photographer here, and he tells him what poses they must do, and they do the poses. We saw so many times in the streets of Thailand with the rental suites. You can rent your clothes, and go for photographers, and it was really cheap actually, and they have amazing clothes as you can see, and yeah, so let's head for the Wat Lokmali now. Oh, can we stop this music? Thank you so much. So yeah, we take Grab, and how much is from here to Wat Lokmali?
61.
61. It's like $1.50. So it was around how many kilometers? Around 2.5-3 kilometers. It's like not even $2. Grab app works here so much, and they're so good people. Do you always work as taxi driver? All time, full time work?
Huh?
Full time taxi driver?
Food Thai.
Full time.
I don't know.
Do you have another job? Another business you have? Taxi driver? Taxi. Are you a
Yes.
taxi driver? Oh, okay. No English, she says. Okay, it's fine.
Yes.
They are still so nice people.